Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Volkswagen Golf hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin. This lever is typically found on the driver's side, often positioned near the door sill or under the dashboard. Give the lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the primary hood latch disengages. This initial step prepares the hood for its full release. Now move to the front of your Golf. Reach your hand into the gap located just above the grille, directly beneath the hood's edge. You will feel for a small, secondary release lever or tab. This is often centrally positioned. Depending on your Golf model, you might need to push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side to fully disengage the secondary safety latch. With both latches released, gently lift the hood upwards. It should now open freely. Next, locate the hood support rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or within the engine bay. Carefully remove the rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. Make sure the hood is stable and securely propped open before you begin any work. To close the hood, first remove the support rod from its hole and securely clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the hood until it is about 12 inches or 30 centimeters from fully closing. Then, let the hood drop the remaining distance. This allows its weight to engage the primary latch. Finally, press down firmly on the front edge to ensure it is completely secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.